Hey everybody, it's Travis with Food Forest Design, Minnesota, and just going through and doing a little update on my indoor trees, fruit trees, and all those good things that can't be outside in the winter because it's too cold, obviously. So just kind of an update on how they're doing and some of the other stuff, but I'll flip you around here and show you. And it's nice enough today I can have the windows open and get some air in here. So here we go. All right, here we got the lime tree is still, I don't know if it's a goner or not. We'll have to see once it gets outside and sits in the sun. Oh no, I think it will come back. We'll just have to see. But if not, we still have this lime tree right here, so we're not starting over. And this thing is getting those all those little spider mites, putting their little webs all over these. They only go for the lime tree. Sometimes they get over here, but yeah, we got the lime tree here, and it's getting some new growth on it. And then we have the lemon tree that's got some new sprouts up there in the front. They smell really nice. And then we got the lemon right here. It's about the size of a little bit smaller than a golf ball, I guess. And yeah, a little smaller than a golf ball. But in a week, it'll be a golf ball, or probably a little larger than that. And then we got the pomegranate. That is probably just excited to get outside. And has been waiting because it wants to go through a growth spurt, but it's just not time. But it's going to be a big bushy tree this summer. Then we got all the aloe and the monsterosas. So that is that. And we will show the rest down in the other two levels. Okay, we are in my living room, and we have the Chinese hardy orange. Thing has grown about right where my fingers are to the top over since the last video I made. And this one right about from there. And then this one's grown some too. And going through a little spurt, and there's more coming up, so it's probably going to be about this high right here in about a week. And it's itching to go outside. And matter of fact, we're going to open this since it's getting kind of warm outside today. Let some of that cool breeze come in. And we got baby banana trees, another banana, little babies. This one's got a new pot. That's one of the ponytails. And this one's getting a new pot pretty soon. And then we got all the herbs started. I got sage, rosemary, oregano, basil, and parsley growing. And then we have more rosemary coming up here. And this is all mint in here. It's still trying to decide when it wants to come up, but once it does, it just comes up like crazy. We got the coffee going here, and that thing's going through another growth spurt right here with some new stuff. Lemon trees growing like crazy, and well, it has little spider mites on top. hate that, but it's going through another growth spurt, so about another 3 or 4 inches in 2 weeks we'll have on top of that when those new leaves and branches start opening up on the top. And then this one here is where this one was about 6 weeks ago. So that's about how long that one took to get from that to that. And that's a lemon tree, and so that's pretty quick. Now you got another little baby ponytail palm up here. And then our pretty umbrella tree. Another one over there. And then we got this guy who's going with us downstairs. I'll bring you down there. Okay, we're down in my grow room, and as you can see, the banana crew is getting thinned out. I've sold 3 of my banana trees here in the past week, and about 5 in the past, or 6 in the past 2 weeks. So once these guys get outside again and I have room, I don't like doing it inside because it makes such a mess. I'm going to split these pups off, and if you can see, they're already about 6 inches high, so they'll be about like this, and they'll take a little bit, but they'll recover, and then I'll have more banana trees. And then there's pups on all of these, so between all the trees I have left, I could probably get about 8 new baby banana trees out of them. And then this olive tree just keeps going crazy, man. I love this tree. And it's going through another growth spurt again. I mean, it's been, you can see where these are really green and these are dark green. And that's just the last growth spurt. I mean, look at that. That's, and it's grown about 1.5 feet or 2 feet if you want to go to the top of these, since I brought it in from the outside. And then this one's doing amazing over here. That's a pretty looking little tree right there. And then we get Mama. And I have a video from a couple of months ago, and that thing looks nothing like this. It's less than half the size of this. The leaves are half the size, and I would have to say it was even smaller than this, as far as it was a lot shorter, and the leaves were a lot smaller. And yeah, it didn't look very good, but now it's full and has these leaves are over 1 foot long, almost 18 inches long, this one here. And yeah, it's really growing fine. And then we got the strawberries coming in here. We got all my strawberries blooming, and a lot of new growth in there. And now these are all my vegetables for outside. I have, I think, 6 different types of tomatoes, 5 different types of peppers, I have some melon. I have, what else I got in here? Oh, romaine lettuce, cucumbers. What else we got in here? Oh, eggplant. And what's this one? Summer squash. Squash. Oh, those are beefsteak tomatoes. Pineapple tomatoes. Shishito peppers. And there's probably about 20, let's see, I got I think 36 here, and I put 2 of each of everything I planted, so 18 different varieties of food that will be growing out on my patio this summer. And there will be a lot of these. I'll be giving a lot of these away too, because I'll have a lot of extras. Oh, we got this one popping up already. And what do I have here? Oh, yeah. I tried to plant moringa seeds. And then I can't remember what. Oh, yellow pear tomatoes are in this one. But yeah, that's going to be my outdoor growing stuff. And I also have all my banana trees I bring outside. Olive tree goes outside. Obviously, the strawberries are going to go crazy as soon as I bring them out. And yeah, I'm going to have a lot of good stuff growing out there. Then I'll have a good herb garden with some medicinal flowers and stuff out there too. A little bit of everything. And just to show you how easy it is to grow food in a small space, even living in a townhouse. And living alone, I have plenty of time and plenty of room. So, and I just show you how it's done. And you can take it for what it is and do what you want with it. But if you want to have your property designed and into a food producing paradise, then you should get a hold of me at foodforestdesignminnesota.com or foodforestdesignmn.com, and schedule a consultation with me. We'll get on the phone or get on a Zoom call and see what you want to accomplish with your property, your backyard, your front yard, your lake home. Hey, if you're a school, we'll design a food forest at your school that your kids go to. I mean, what would be better than having a food forest that the kids help plant and then they help take care of it all throughout their elementary school years. Each class would have a certain job in the food forest, you know. So each year their job would change and they would learn different aspects of self-sustainability and growing food and getting back to teaching life skills that nobody has anymore. But that's a little bit off the grid from things. But anyway, anywhere there's land, we can grow food. So get a hold of me, foodforestdesignmn.com, or find me at Food Forest Design Minnesota on YouTube, and get a hold of me. Let's talk soon. See ya.